Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix slow image generation in Midjourney in 2026. So if your images are taking too long to generate, requests are processing slowly, or you're waiting much longer than expected, here are some common fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A slow or unreliable connection can delay communication between your device and Midjourney's servers. Next, refresh the Midjourney page or restart the application you're using. Yeah, temporary glitches can sometimes affect performance and increase generation times. If image creation is still slow, consider whether Midjourney may be experiencing heavy traffic. During busy periods, image requests can take longer because many users are generating content at the same time. If you've submitted multiple requests, wait for existing jobs to finish before creating additional ones. Too many active jobs can sometimes increase overall wait times. Finally, submit a new image request and monitor the results. In many cases, slow generation is caused by temporary server demand, connection issues, or overly complex prompts, and that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix slow image generation in Midjourney in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.